This is what it's all about. We've been shooting this film like a year and a half ago. So now it's happening. Now we're going to show it to the fans, the people who've been following this franchise for 42 years. It's very exciting. Yeah, but I can only say that it's surreal. I mean, I grew up with it. I was 15 when I watched it on a VHS, and I rented 5 different films, but I ended up watching Indiana Jones 5 times instead. It just blew us away, my entire generation, and to be here now 42 years later, it doesn't make sense, but I'll take it. Yeah, he appeals to everyone. I mean, my generation, my parents, my kids. Can't wait to show it to my grandkids. It's something about Harrison as well, isn't it? It's just something about him. But I'm very excited to say that, genuinely say that this is a real Indiana Jones film, another one. We get all the roller coaster stuff, but we got something new here, I think. Obviously, because of his age, it's quite touching.